Nanotechnology Research and Improvement. The Nanotechnology Society started to assess the impacts of exposition to nanomaterials in the coming early 1990s. In summary, the orientations in experimental nanotoxicology and nanotechnology demand not only rationalization and exploration of experimental nanostructure activity connections, but most importantly, improvement of examples that will assist in planning environmentally benign nanomaterials and as well prioritizing novel manufactured nanoparticles and existing for in vivo examination. The capability to design and manufacture molecules with a various number and relative order of redefining points permits the building of different topologies like linear chains, dimers, and two-dimensional orders. In these days, nanomedicine survey played considerable function in medication discovery. Developed nanotechnology and information technology are the scopes that are presently recognized as newer technologies in concentrated survey and target treatment as a solution for several regions of healthcare administration.